Hello, I'm John McClellan, General Manager at the Alderwood Water and Wastewater District. On October 16th, we invite people to imagine a day without water, part of a national campaign to support water infrastructure across the country. Think about turning on your tap and nothing comes out. No water to drink, cook, bathe, flush, or to fight fires, or support our local businesses. It's a reality too many communities face, but one we work every day to ensure you never do. In the US, every 2 minutes, a water main breaks, and 1 in 3 water sector employees are eligible for retirement. The rates you pay ensure that we work diligently every day to make sure you never have to worry about your taps running empty or your water supply running out. Imagine a day without water as a powerful reminder of just how essential clean water is to every moment of our lives. As your public water and wastewater utility, you can count on us to make sure that everyone has access to clean, pure water for life forever.